Hi, my name is Derek Ham. I'm a real estate agent with Rupel Ranch and Land, and I'm here in Cherokee County. I want to talk to you a minute about a property that we've got listed. 60 acres, which to me is just the right size. Not too big, not too small. Cherokee County is really known for the beautiful land and the rolling topography, and this property is no exception, but I would say an exception to that would be the improvements that are made to this property. Kind of see behind me the outdoor kitchen that the sellers put in. It's spare no expense. It's wired for TV, it's got a fireplace, it's just beautiful for entertaining. The sellers have put, you know, everything into it. I've known them for a long time. I'm going to show you a few more spots around the place, and I'd really encourage you to take a look at it. It's an amazing place. This open area is just great for hunting. The sellers set it up, especially, you know, right up against the taller trees here. On the other side, there's a blind to hunt out of, but again, it's a beautiful spot, and they really enjoy coming out here, if not to hunt the deer, just to watch the animals and find some peace. One of the other improvements, which is a pond that they put in that's full of piranhas. No, I'm kidding, it's not. It's actually full of catfish. I'm gonna throw some feed out there in a minute, and you'll see what I'm talking about, but it's a great place to come and fish and hang out, and just another good part of this property for you to come and see. What I've got behind me here is it's a 3-2 barndominium. It's over 4,000 square feet of covered area. There's a man cave that they call it a man cave, but it's anything but a man cave. It's got its own bathroom, it's got running water, a bar, pool table. The house, though, is unique. It's open concept. There are finishes that I think are unique to the house. The crown molding is unique. It's a well thought out house. It's really sort of, I guess, the crown jewel of improvements of this property. It could be your everyday home, or it could be your second home. I'd encourage you to come look at it. Again, my name is Derek Ham with Rupel Ranch and Land. Thanks for listening.